Hello, welcome to Ulery.com, where today we're going to talk about Tweet Scrambler by Zimi, and I'm going to show you how to use Tweet Scrambler with your Twitter account for the people who follow you on Twitter. I'm going to show you how to use it on your blog. I'm going to show you how to create a Tweet Scrambler, and all of this is going to be shown in this video. Now, once I show you this, let your mind run wild. You'll probably come up with your own ideas of how you might use it, but these are just a few of the creative ways that I've come up with. Alright, let's get started.
Well, hello there, Wayne Ulery at WayneUlery.com. Getting ready to share a pretty cool tool that I've just learned how to use on Xeeme.com. If you don't know what a Zimi is, here's my Zimi right here. Basically, it's everywhere that I am online in one place. All my profile networks right there, groups and pages, and then I have tools here that I'm putting, marketing tools and Twitter tools and some other tools in this section right here. So anyhow, what I want to do is I want to go up here and log into Zimi. Alright, and the first tool I want to show you is a tool called Tweet Scrambler. Now, to get Tweet Scrambler from your dashboard, as soon as you log in, you come over here, click on Add More Applications, you scroll down over here, and there's Tweet Scrambler right there. And you can read about it. Okay, I already have it installed, so we're just going to go up here and click on it. Okay, and this is the Tweet Scrambler. So what you can do here is you can set up a custom tweet or Twitter or message, have you, that will send out to Twitter when somebody clicks it. And I'm going to show you how this is how powerful this is here in just a moment. So in our example, we're going to use, I'm going to make one for this post, okay? And this is for someone to click on when they've watched my video or they've looked at my blog post to show that they support it or they like it or whatever. So what I'm going to write here is great training on Tweet Scrambler by @Wayne Ulery. Found at http WayneUlery.com. And I'm also going to put on here the Zimi tag. Hashtag. A must see for everyone. Okay. Sound good? I'm also going to put an RT at the beginning here, meaning that this will be a retweet. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and click on Create Tweet. Okay, so here's what it's done. It's created the full tweet stream for this. It's also got the your tweetable link as a short link, and you can test it here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and test it just to show you what I'm talking about. It automatically puts it in my Twitter account. Now all I have to do is hit tweet, and it's going to send that. So this is a great tool. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to use it. One is on a blog post, and then I'm going to show you a few others. So next thing I want to show you is another service that you can marry this application with this service, and it works great. It's called Social Oomph. www.socialomph.com. Go ahead and get yourself an account here. I already have a few. And what you want to do is schedule go to the Edit Welcome DM. You're going to have to add an account up here first, add a Twitter account. Once you've done that, then come over here, go find your account. We're going to go here to Wayne Ulery. Okay, and here's how I'm using Tweet Scrambler for people who follow me on Twitter. Okay, so when they follow me, they're going to get this message. If you're a real person and not a bot, click here, and I will follow you back. Well, when they click on this link, okay, it automatically generates a tweet in their Twitter that says, "Hey Wayne, I'm a real person. Follow me back while I take a look at your fan page or your blog or whatever." Okay, what this does in turn is it alerts me that somebody that is a real person is following me, and I should follow them back. I used to have it set up here, automatically follow people back who follow me, until I've realized that there's so many bots out there that'll follow you, and it just clutters up the Twitter feed with junk, just garbage. So I've gone on, I began to just eliminate those bots from my Twitter feed so I can actually have a good communication with my people and with my friends and my followers. So in this case, when they get this message, when I get the message, well, they get it, and then they'll mention me in a tweet. I know, okay, this is someone I need to follow. They're a real person. Okay, and it also markets my web page or my my Facebook fan page at the same time. Great tool, guys. Fantastic tool. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put together my blog for this post, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I'm going to use it in my blog. Okay, welcome. You're at WayneUlery.com. This is my blog, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to incorporate Tweet Scrambler into a blog post so that when it is retweeted, it brings the Twitter followers back to the post. Okay, so now what we're getting ready to do is go into my WordPress. This is not a training for WordPress, but for those of you that know WordPress, you'll understand what we're doing here. What we're going to do is we're going to get the short link, okay? And the short link is what we're going to use in our Tweet Scrambler to point the followers of the person who clicks on the Tweet Scrambler within our blog. It'll point their followers back to the blog to read the post about the Tweet Scrambler. I know that's a mouthful. This will make a lot of sense when I got it all done. If you're a little confused at this point, just bear with me. We got the short link. There it is right there. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Now what we're going to do with this short link is we're going to go ahead and put it into the Scrambler. To get to the Scrambler, you need to go to your Zimi, and I'm going to go ahead and log into my Zimi. Go on over there. I'm going to get the Scrambler. Okay, so here we are. We got the Scrambler. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the text that they have in there, and then we're going to type in our own text in just a moment. So let's go ahead and take out the text that they have in there. Okay, so I love what they put. Check out Scrambler, and it's as easy as clicking a text. Now here we go. Retweet at Wayne Ulery. Retweet at Wayne Ulery. Thanks for the great training on Tweet Scrambler. Check it out. You'll find it here. Put the little Zimi tag and click Create. Alright, so now we're on the screen where all the information shows. In step 1, right here, is the tweet we just created. In step 2 is a short link that they give you. We're going to be using that in a moment. In step 3 is the full URL stream. This is the full long link. So this is what I used to do manually to create this type of a link, just to give you an idea. I used to type in all these little %20s and all this craziness just to create this link. And lastly, in step 4, this is if you wanted to put a text, hyperlink text on your site. You would copy and paste that, and it would say, please tweet it. We're going to copy step 2 right here. Go ahead and copy that. Now we're at our website. I clicked on the image to the left, and I'm going to paste step 2 into the URL box. And the link is, or the picture's over there to the left, and I'm going to write Tweet Scrambler as the title. So when it opens up, that's what they'll see, an open link in a new window. Okay, so now we're at my site. There's the box. That's the picture. I hyperlinked it. You clicked on it. Boom. There it is. Retweet at Wayne Ulery. Thanks for a great training on Tweet Scrambler. Check it out. You will find it here. And then it has the Zimi tag. Well, look at that. That worked out exactly how I wanted it to work. And lastly, I want you guys to go to my Friends tab on WayneUlery.com. If you have your Zimi, go ahead and click on Register with My Zimi right there. If you don't, you can register, fill out the form, and it will put your picture in that box there. And now if somebody is at my site, it says connect with my friends, and they click on any one of your pictures, it will bring up your Zimi. And if you don't know what a Zimi is, check out one of my other blog posts. I'll put it in with this post, a link to it. But there, I clicked on my Zimi, and there's my Zimi right there. It's got all my social connections. It's my whole social presence online. Enjoy.